You can use Excel to pull data directly from the web, and that can be a pretty powerful feature. If you've got a table that has information about something that you want to extract, then Excel can either take the data by you copying and pasting that data from your browser, or directly using the get external data function, which is what I'm going to show you now. The data tab has a menu called get external data, from where you can get data from the web. Let's take an example. I'm going to go to the Internet Movie Database, uh, which has a top 250 chart, the list of top 250 movies as voted by the users. Once you go to that page, it loads it and shows a series of little arrows which indicate where the tables are. When you click, that table gets selected, and you can select import after that, which will say which will ask you where you want to place the data. Let's place that on the current sheet, and at this point it runs a background query which fetches all of this data, formats it, and will place it in cell A1 and beyond from there. Let's give it a few seconds. Now we have the same table which has the rank of each of these movies, their ratings, the title, and the votes, and the entire table has been copied here. Let's take another example. Supposing we wanted to get financial data. I'm going to go to get external data from the web. Let's go to finance.yahoo.com and select Apple as a stock. And now that I have Apple's data, we can pick one of these pages. Let's say I'm interested in these statistics. Click on that, select import, and this data gets imported into this new sheet. And all of that information is available ready for use. Or if I wanted, let's say, the list of districts, let me go to get external data again from the web, and I'm going to paste a link that I'd copied before, which has a list of districts from Andhra Pradesh. This is from Wikipedia. Once that loads, you can go to the specific section. Remember that the page needs to fully load before the table gets highlighted. So you'd then be able to, after it finishes loading, select this particular table, which has all of the districts listed, including their headquarters, population, and so on, and import that into Excel. I'm not quite going to show you how this works. It works in exactly the same way as before. Once you've got the data, you've got the ability to process it in exactly the same way with all of the same functions that Excel normally offers, and it's no different from before. This of course is a little cumbersome if you want to pull data off of multiple pages. In that case, you may have to go for more advanced techniques like scraping, which don't work directly off of Excel. But at least for a single table, no matter how large, this is a fairly effective way.